Hi guys, Faisal here from Thespian Lab. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your very own radio drama. Alright, so radio drama is basically like a normal performance, drama performance, but it is purely auditory, meaning there's no visual. Alright, so everything is through audio. Alright, so how can you create the audio drama? All right, so I will not cover everything from ideation to scripting. All right, I will not cover that, but I will just cover some of the technical aspects of it. So the first thing that I will be talking about is how to record and compile. Okay, some of you have been asking me, how do can we record? We don't have a audio recorder. So later I will show you how to record and how to compile. Number two, I will go through with you how to get free and royalty-free sounds and music. All right. Now, when it comes to sounds, music, photos, videos, whatever that's available online, we need to be very careful. Some of them have upfront fee with no royalty. Some of them have no upfront fee but with royalty. Some have both upfront fee and royalty. All right. But I will give you the resources on how to get free and royalty free sounds and music. All right. And point number three, I will just quickly show you how you can put everything together. Okay. First and foremost, all right. Whoever is compiling and editing, you need to have your own separate folder for all these different tracks. Okay, so you can create a folder easily. All right. So once you create a folder, whatever sounds that you have recorded, whatever um, uh, all those audio tracks that you have recorded for this particular radio drama, you can just save it into this one folder. All right, then later you'll be able to sort it out. Now, why this is important, why do I cover this thing, is that I have seen students save the audio tracks all over the place, and then when it comes to piecing everything together, they can't find it, and then they have to use the search function, and that will actually take a lot of time. All right, so this is step number one. Okay, create a folder to store your audio tracks. Okay, so how do you record? Now, you can actually record from your phone. Okay, every phone, even the simple phones, it is equipped with a voice recording function. All right, so you can use those to record and then transfer it to this folder, or you can also make use of some of the voice recording software that is available on your computer. Okay, for example, this voice recording software is already pre-built within this computer. All right, so I can just create whoa, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, so this is testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, so this is, then I will need to transfer this. I will cut and then I will paste it to here. All right, or if let's say you have Audacity. This Audacity is a free software. It is not pre-installed in your computers. You have to go to browse through the website to get it. This is actually what we call an open source software. All right. So for Audacity, same thing. Once you open, you can click this record button, and then it will record. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, so let's play this. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. All right, if you feel that it's a bit too soft, let's try this. All right, so this is one way. And then don't leave it here. If you are using Audacity to record, you need to export it. All right, export it, look for this, and then you can just put it as voice recording, so whatever you can name it, whatever in whatever way that you wish. Yeah. All right, so you can close this. Okay, so recording, there's plenty of recording tools available. All right, so you just pick one and record it. Okay, this is one of the simpler tasks that you need to do to create your audio or radio drama. Okay, so once that is done, once you know how to record, the next thing about radio drama is you will need things like sound effects, and you may also need things like music, background music. Okay, so where I always go to get good music and sound effects is I go to this website called Pixabay. Okay, pixabay.com. All right, so this is a very big library of resources where there's no upfront fee, there is no royalty. All right, and everything is shared. All right, so even if you have some good photograph, good music that you have done on your own or taken on your own, you can actually upload it as and share it with the community. All right, now let's get back to the matter at hand. Now, let's say I need some screaming sound, or maybe I want to look for a howling sound. Okay, then I will go to sound effects, and then you will see here there are a few howling sounds. All right, let's see. You can. Okay, it's a bit soft. All right, let's try this one. Okay, can you hear that? Okay, let's try something different. Let's try the first one. Okay, so this sound effect is about 36 seconds long. All right, this one here is about almost 4 minutes. All right, so depending on what you want, what you need, let's say for example I need this, I will just download. All right, once this is downloaded, then the next thing I would do is to transfer this to my folder. Okay, once again, whatever that you need, whatever that you've recorded or downloaded, keep it in one single folder. All right, and then let's say I need some background music. Okay, something very scary. Background music. Let's see what do they have. Ah, this is something very very interesting. Okay, so let's say I want this, okay, to be in my audio drama. All right, so I will just download. Okay, so once the download is done, I will just, same thing as I've always emphasized time and again, I will transfer it to, all right, that same folder. All right, that same folder. So that is how you can get your soundtrack. So I've now covered where you can get sound effects. I've covered where you can get your music that is both has no upfront fee and royalty. and I've also covered with you how you can actually do a recording and how you can store and compile all those recordings. All right, so after this I will show you how you can put everything together using a software like Audacity. Hello everyone, welcome back. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can use Audacity to compile all your tracks, your dialogues, your music, background music, and sound effects. Okay, together to produce one audio drama production. All right. Now, Audacity is a free software. I've been using this I think since 2004, 2005. Okay, so it is definitely one of the best software, audio editing software that I have used, uh, and of course it's free, so that's also a plus point. Yeah, so if you want to install Audacity, I will leave a download link below, and I will also leave a patch link where you can just download the patch, put it in the same folder as your Audacity folder, and the system will auto detect and you are good to go. All right, if you have any question with regards to installation and putting up the patch, just reach out to me, okay, either through the comment section of this video or through my Seesaw page, right? Through your Seesaw account. Okay, so now you have Audacity here open up. So what's next? Um, so let's say here let's say I want to put some. I want to start off with putting up this epic Hollywood trailer. Okay, so I just click, drag, and drop. So as you can see, it's a pretty long track, up to 2 minutes. All right. Um, so let's see what do they sound like. Okay, sounds good. Let's see what they have here. Okay, this part here made it a bit sound a little bit more exciting rather than suspense. Okay, and then what about this part here? Oh, it's getting louder. And what about over here? Okay. Okay, this sounds like a Godzilla soundtrack, yeah. Okay, so I don't need everything. I just need maybe the first within the this part here. So think I can just highlight the rest and delete. Okay, it is that simple. Next, let's say I want to put in some howling sound, wind howling. All right, click, drag, and drop. Okay, so let's hear this up. All right, now as you can see here, there is more than one track. Okay, so when I play this, everything will play together. Okay, so if you want to listen to just one track at a time, go to the track that you wish to listen to and click on solo. Automatically the rest of the tracks will go to mute. Okay, so when it's on solo, you can just hear what you want, which and pick the sections that you think you might need. Okay, so throughout this track is all howling, but I don't need everything. Maybe I just need this part here. The rest I just highlight and delete, And maybe, okay, let's say I do not want this to play together or in the same segment as the first track. Yeah, so what I can do is I can highlight, I can cut, Control X, go to the go to this section here, and Control V, I paste. Okay, so this means that when you play this will play first until this section here, and the second track will kick in. All right, so let's zoom out to get a better view. Let's try to put in one more track. Yeah, let's try to put in one more track. Let's see, some screaming. Some screaming might be nice. Okay, we are doing horror anyway, so let's hear some screams. Let's put this to solo and see what we have. This is not really the track that we need, so I can just click on the X here, okay, to just remove this totally. All right, and go back to the folder, take the screaming track, and let's test this out. Okay, cool. So let's see, I want to make some adjustments. I want this to play right after this, so when I undo the solo, this might be what I will get. Okay, so you will need to arrange this according to number one, according to your script. Okay, primarily follow your script, because basically that's the entire plan. All right, and the background music and the sound effect is meant to enhance your screen, your script. Okay, your entire play. um, it is meant to support you, it is not the primary thing. Okay, so your script plays a very important role, and use the music and the soundtrack to your advantage. All right, use them to enhance your entire play. Okay, so I will not go into greater detail. Okay, I will just stop here because it might be a bit overwhelming for some of you. If you do have some question for me with regards to the technical aspects of this Audacity, let me know. I will try to address that. All right, so all the best in your recording. Let me know. Once again, help is there, you just need to reach out, and I'll try our best to get back to you. And yeah, happy trying, happy recording, and all the best. Bye bye.